Today I want to show you my dears, the exact DIY face mask that I reach for when I get acne. Now, acne can really ruin a person's confidence, and I get it because I've been there. My skin was so far from perfect, and even these pictures you're seeing now are pictures of when it had started clearing. So I completely get it, and I know that if you combine some of these recipes with a really good skincare routine, your skin will certainly clear up. Let's get into it. So the first thing that I do when I'm treating my skin or I have my DIY spa days, which I love, is I really get into the skin and I clean with my spin brush. I don't do this every day, but on days, maybe once a week when I want to do a skin treatment. The first recipe I'm going to get into is my absolute favorite, which is my turmeric milk and honey face mask. I reach for this every time I see something flare up on my skin or whatever, because turmeric has amazing anti-inflammatory qualities and it's really good for preventing acne from spreading. Milk also has lactic acid, which will exfoliate your skin and improve your complexion. So I put these three recipes together, mix it up and use it on my face, leave it for 15 minutes and wash. That's it. The second recipe is the Rassle clay. There is something about clay that makes it so effective. By the way, I have a DIY recipe book that has 10 amazing recipes available for download immediately. It's completely free. These are my top 10 DIY face mask recipes. Just click the description box below. Clay masks are my absolute favorite because there's just something about clay that just draws toxins and everything to itself and draws it out of everything it touches. So I like to do Rassle clay and rose water. You can also use bentonite clay. You'll find that in my recipe book. Wash it off after 15 minutes and that's it. This one is another favorite of mine. You see, when I have active acne that I need to target and spot treat, I use this as well. Brew some green tea, leave it to cool. Green tea is also a natural antioxidant, and tea tree is very popular for calming swelling and irritation on the skin. As you all know, honey has antibacterial qualities, but it's also a humectant, which draws moisture from the environment and retains it on your skin. So you have supple skin, but you're treating the acne as well. So I like this combination when I have active acne. This is a fantastic face mask. Mix the three. Take a face mask tablet, leave it to swell in the water, and then put it on your face. At this point, you're free to go watch an episode of Game of Thrones. You know, I had to put that in there, even though I only just saw the first episode of Game of Thrones. But you know what I mean. You can mask and chill with this for as long as possible. And then when you're tired, take it off. Now, this face mask is what I call breakfast for your skin because it has oatmeal. Now, oatmeal is so amazing on itchiness. Like if you have any itchiness on your skin, oatmeal is something you reach for. It's wonderful for inflamed skin. Now, I like to blend it up and have a fine powder before I put it on my skin. Why? Because I don't like that grainy texture where it just starts to fall off all over your skin. So I blend it till it's really fine and smooth, and then I mix it with the honey and milk, because honey, as I mentioned, has amazing antibacterial qualities, and milk also makes your skin like so supple and improves your skin's complexion. And it's no wonder I call it breakfast for your skin. So mix that up, leave on for 15 minutes and wash off right after. These recipes that I'm sharing with you are recipes that are tried, tested, and absolutely work. Don't forget to click the description box below to download my free face mask ebook. You would love it. There are 10 recipes there. Or you can go to my blog torerageorge.com to download and read the rest of the article. I really hope you found today's video useful and helpful, and I hope you subscribe and come back again next week. Love you guys so much. Bye.